Okay. Well, I want to show you some more pictures of the underside of the 2002 to 2007 Jeep Liberty. And specifically, what I'm showing you now is marked as Plans Exhibit 1003. And I'll just represent to you, this document was given to us by Fiat-Chrysler Automobiles, and this is a PowerPoint put together by FCA's hired witness, Thomas Pearl. Do you see on the front page of Exhibit 1003 the words Gilreath, D, crash?
Yes.
Okay. Turn with me, if you would, to the third page. Now, I suspect without me saying anything, you would know what you're looking at, but for the sake of clarity, the picture on the bottom of page 3, the orange one, shows an undamaged Jeep Liberty, and the one on the top shows the actual Jeep Liberty, in this case with the damage represented. Do you see that?
I see the difference between the blue and the orange, yes.
Okay. So everything on here was done by FCA's person except these two labels, which I put on there yesterday. Do you see the location A and location B that I put on there? Yes. Now, location A goes to a circle, and that circle's around the gas tank of the Liberty, isn't it?
It appears to be the fuel tank, yes.
And location B, that box, is on an area across from the muffler, right?
Yes.
Now, if you were going to be involved in a rear impact in this Jeep Liberty, where would you rather the gas tank be, location A or location B?
Objection. Foundation.
Again, I am not a fuel tank engineer or a rear structural engineer to be able to state where a fuel tank should be placed on a vehicle.
I mean, isn't it a matter of common sense, though, sir, that location B is safer in rear impact than location A?
Objection. Foundation.
Again, I don't have the expertise in that area to be able to distinguish where the fuel tank should be located on a vehicle.
Well, let's turn to page 7 of this Exhibit 1003, the PowerPoint put together by FCA's hired witness, Thomas Pearl. Are you on page 7?
Yes.
I'll represent to you that this is a photograph taken by Mr. Pearl of the underside of Deanna Gilreath's Jeep Liberty after the collision. Do you see the muffler there?
Yes.
Do you see the bent trailer hitch there?
I see metal that's been damaged. I'm assuming that's the trailer hitch.
Well, I'll take that. And then I put on these labels and these arrows for location A and location B. And my question is whether this helps you answer the question as to whether in rear impact location A or location B is a safer place for a gas tank.
Objection. Again, foundation.
As I stated, I am not a fuel tank or a structural engineer to be able to tell you where a fuel tank should be located on a vehicle.
Am I understanding correctly that your testimony is you're unable to testify as to whether location A or location B would be safer in rear impact?
Objection. Asked and answered.
Again, as I stated, that is outside of my scope. I am not a fuel tank engineer or a structure engineer.
So you don't know?
I can't tell you where the fuel tank should be located on a vehicle, no.